Hey guys, welcome here today inside the workshop. It's raining outside pretty good, so we're in here getting the tractor and our tree planter ready for our tree planting season. We got a few thousand deciduous trees that we got to plant. We buy them in 8-foot bare roots, and we field plant them and grow them till mature trees. Anyways, check it out. This is the tractor that we use for this. And this is the tree planter. I built this one last year. It works pretty good. We're just gonna make a couple little modifications to it today. What happens is there's trees that sit on either side here on the baskets, and like I said, they're 8-foot whips, and we put them down into this slot, and it opens up the ground, and then you can see these cutting edges. They pull the soil back in, and these wheels pack the soil back down. So anyways, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna be modifying on it. It just didn't work out quite as I thought, so we're gonna make it a little bit better. All right, so this is down inside the shoe where we put the tree. So the tree's gonna get put right here, and it comes out as the tractor opens up the soil and plants them down. We're gonna put a bit of a relief on these guys on the back side of the shoe. And the reason is it's catching on the soil a little bit. When this is the blade, you can see it pushes the dirt out of the way, and this holds the pocket open for us. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that off with the torch on both sides. I haven't marked this one out yet, but watch and see.